Hi students, in this session we can understand the concept of quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? What is its significance? And we discuss with one by one. What are quantum numbers? The quantum numbers are the measurement scale by which the orbitals are distinguished can be represented by the set of numbers are called as quantum numbers. It is a very important numbers to specify and display to complete information about size, shape, orientation of the orbitals are called as quantum numbers. These are four quantum numbers: principal quantum number, and second one is the azimuthal quantum number, third one is magnetic quantum number, and fourth one is spin quantum number. Before we discuss with atomic nucleus, this is atomic nucleus. In the middle portion occupied with the nucleus, when electron revolve around the nucleus in certain circular paths are called as orbits or shells. Each orbit is having definite energy, so the orbits are called as energy shells or energy orbits or energy levels. Each orbit is numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and lettered as K, L, M, N, O. This is called atomic nucleus. When electron revolve around the nucleus and we discuss with quantum numbers, these are included. The first one is the principal quantum number. This is the important quantum number. All the three quantum numbers depends on the principal quantum number. The principal quantum number was proposed by Niels Bohr and it was denoted by small n. Principal quantum number is proposed by Niels Bohr. Already before classes we studied Bohr's theory and also principal quantum number is proposed by Niels Bohr and it was denoted as small n. The principal quantum number gives size and energy of the orbit. Energy of the orbit. Size. An electron in the outermost shell, the distance between the nucleus to an electron in the shell are called as size of the orbit. And energy of the shells, energy of the orbit also gives the principal quantum number. The number of orbitals can be calculated as n square and number of electrons are calculated as 2n square. An orbital momentum of any orbit is nh by 2 pi. This is the principal quantum number. And the second one is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number is also called as angular quantum number. It is proposed by Sommerfeld and it is denoted as small l. This L value depends on the principal quantum number n. L value depends on n value. It gives azimuthal quantum number gives the shape of the atomic orbitals. Shape of the atomic orbitals means s orbital having spherical shape and p orbital having dumbbell shape, d orbital having double dumbbell shape and f orbital having complex. These shapes are gives them azimuthal quantum number and told as azimuthal quantum number. L value depends on n value, that is L equal to n minus 1. Here L equal to 4, so L values are 4 minus 1 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the L values. The number of electrons in subshell is calculated by the formula is 2 of 2l plus 1. This is the azimuthal quantum number. And the third one is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number is proposed by Landau and it is denoted as small m. It gives the magnetic orientation in space in orbital and m values are minus L to plus L including 0. These are the m values. M values depends on the L values. L value depends on the principal quantum number n value. Energy of the shells are S less than P less than D less than F. So F orbital having, that means F having energy is very high. That means energy of the orbit is increased than D. D orbital having higher energy than P orbital. At least orbit is energy having S orbital. This is the magnetic quantum number. And the second one is spin quantum number. This spin quantum number is proposed by two scientists. They are called Uhlenbeck or Goudsmit. It is denoted as S. It gives the spin of the electron and clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. If electron is clockwise direction, that is plus half, shown as like this, and an electron is anti-clockwise direction, that means this, like this, that is called minus half spin, that is denoted as anti-clockwise direction. This is called spin quantum number. These are quantum numbers, 4 quantum numbers. Thank you.